Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Point.
What does the dictionary say?
A sharp or tapering end, as of a dagger. A projecting part of anything.
Math rap.
Like some trick of a magician, a point has no size, only position. An exact location on a graph or map, we often assign the points letters to know where they are at.
Math rap.
My friend was confused. He exclaimed, "So, let me get this straight. It has no size, but has position? Then what's the point?" I simply looked up at him blankly and said, "Exactly." Explain point in your own words. Any more points to point out? Using absolutely no lines, only points, make a detailed picture of 3 friends eating in a park. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!